Hello, I'm Sania Khan. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very requested video. Many of your girls have been asking me this question in my Instagram handle from a while, and as promised, here I am with an in-detail video of how you can match hijab to your outfit. But first, a little disclaimer. All the tips I'm sharing here today are my personal opinion, and like everyone has different sense of style, this is mine. I prefer looking more elegant and classy, and these are the tips that I have learned over the years since I started my hijab journey based on many trials and errors. And if you don't resonate with it, it's your choice. Do what makes you happy. Anyways, with that, let's begin. First, it's choosing the right color. In that, tip number 1, avoid matching hijab color to your outfit. I have seen many girls do this, like they carry their outfit and try to search for a hijab color that matches exactly with the outfit. Okay ladies, stop that. I'm not saying it looks bad, but if you want to level up your styling, wear a hijab color that is a few shades lighter or darker than your outfit. For example, see in these two pictures, I'm wearing the same outfit but one with the same color hijab and another with a lighter shade hijab. As you can see, the one where I have different shade of hijab looks so much better. Tip number 2. If you're wearing a dark color outfit, pair it with a light color hijab. And if you are wearing a light color outfit, pair it with a dark color hijab. For example, if you're wearing a dark purple outfit, you can pair it with a lavender or light purple hijab. Similarly, if you are wearing a lavender outfit, you can pair it with a dark purple hijab. That way, it looks like a transition of colors. Say for example, when you see sunset or sea, they are not just one single color. They are like a transition of color starting from dark to light. That transition of colors makes it more pleasing to the eyes. Similarly, if you do same with your outfit, it looks more pleasing. Few more examples are, you can pair your red color outfit with a peach color hijab. You can pair your dark green outfit with a light green hijab. You can pair, say, yellow outfit with a brown color hijab, and so on. And if you want more examples or inspirations, you can also check my Instagram handle and make sure to follow me over there. Tip number 3, wear matching hijab for louder outfits. What I mean is, if you're wearing a festive dress or a grand dress for weddings and all, you might also be wearing a lot of jewelry and your makeup would be loud. So there is already a lot going on here. So it's better to go minimalist with the hijab. Only in this case, it's better if your hijab color matches with your outfit color, so that your hijab looks like a part of your outfit and blends in. In this case, if you're wearing a different shade of hijab, your hijab will also try to stand out in your already louder outfit, resulting in you looking too much. So go easy on your hijab when your outfit is the highlight. And you can pair your casual outfits with a different shade of hijab as mentioned earlier. Tip number 4, neutrals. Hijab colors like black, white, grey, tan, beige, all these comes under neutral, and you can pair these hijab with almost any color outfits. These are the safest option when you are confused what color to wear. These neutrals look good with every color outfit and look very elegant. So if you're a beginner, stock up with neutrals before moving to colors. For example, this beige hijab, if you can have just one hijab, I say go for a beige one, because this color looks good with almost every color outfit, be it black, white, red, and so on. Tip number 5, matching prints. Avoid wearing hijab with too bright color prints or hijab with larger prints. According to me, they don't look elegant. They just cheapen up your whole look. I personally don't like wearing printed hijab much. I prefer solid pastel colors. They look more classy. And if you're a beginner, I suggest avoid printed hijabs, because it's very easy to go wrong with them if you don't style it correctly. But if you do want to try printed hijab, go for smaller prints and neutral or light colors. Tip number 6, never pair printed hijab with printed outfit. This is the worst thing you can do. You will end up looking like a clown. So always pair solid color hijab with the printed outfit and printed hijab with a solid color outfit. Tip number 7, hijab material. There are many hijab materials like georgette, chiffon, cotton, silk, satin, etc. But here I am categorizing them into two categories for easy understanding. That is matte and shiny. Materials like georgette, chiffon, cotton, all these fall under mattes. And satin, silk or any light reflecting material hijab come under shiny. In this, pair shiny hijab with matte outfit and pair matte hijab with shiny outfit. That way it doesn't look too loud and balances the whole outfit just right. You can obviously pair matte material outfit with a matte hijab. I'm just highlighting that don't pair your shiny outfit like satin or silk with satin or silk hijab. They both look too shiny together and too much and not at all elegant. So if you're wearing a shiny outfit, go for a matte hijab, and if you want to wear a shiny hijab, go for a matte outfit. Lastly, a bonus tip. This tip is only for the ladies who prefer to look elegant and classy and sophisticated. Please avoid hijab with laces, big chunky embellishments, glittery hijab material, and those with pom-poms and stuff. I hate it. Mentioning again, it's just my opinion. To me, it doesn't look elegant, and to me, it screams cheap and tacky. But if you like it and it makes you happy, go for it. That's it for this video. If these tips did clear your confusion on what to do and what not to do regarding hijab styling, and you found these tips helpful, please do like and share it with your family and friends to whom it might be useful. Save this video for your future reference and follow me on my Instagram handle for more hijab styling and inspiration. Also, I have many ideas in my mind regarding hijab styling, so I'll try to make as many videos as I can regarding the same. So make sure to subscribe, and I would be really happy to help all you hijabi girls out there. And if you have any suggestion regarding the type of content you want to see, please comment down below. Until then, goodbye.